India Meteorological Department's extended range forecast, which forecast the weather parameters for the month of May 2020, has given the forecast that in the second week of May, that means from 8th to 14th of May, the maximum temperatures could be of the range of 36 to 37 degrees Celsius. That means that could be up to a range of 3 to 4 degrees Celsius above normal temperature. During that period, the normal temperature for Panaji is around 34 degrees Celsius from 8th of May to 14th of May. Now the forecast has come that the temperature could be around 37 degrees Celsius. That means 3 to 4 degrees higher than normal. In such conditions, it would be advisable that public should avoid direct exposure to sunlight, and they should keep themselves hydrated and avoid any chance of dehydrating, because the heat of about 3 to 4 degrees Celsius high can affect the comfort levels, and also in that period of time there will be a lot of humidity also in the atmosphere. So along with this heat and humidity, that may cause discomfort, and it is always advised that in such conditions people should avoid, they should consume a lot of liquid and should avoid getting dehydrated. And secondly, as on today, 30th of April 2020, we have issued thunderstorm warnings for Goa state for 2 days, that is on 30th, 31st and on the third day, that is 30th, 1st and 2nd of May. That means for 3 days we have issued thunderstorm warnings. We are expecting light thunderstorms to pop up and come towards the Goa side.